Hello and welcome to 932 Castro. This is a beautiful one-bedroom apartment plus office located in between the Castro and Dubose Park. This is the facade, and the mailboxes are there to the left, and you walk up one flight of stairs through a nice front patio to the unit right over here. It is set back off the street. And here we are, 932 Castro. You walk into this amazing space. The living room is off to the left here. It is open to a beautiful kitchen. Nice wood floors throughout. You have baseboard heating. Here's the front. And there you go. Behind that door there to the right is a nice little closet. Here's looking at the front patio area. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. It's been nicely updated. You have stone counters, lots of cabinet and counter space. There's a gas range. Nice shelf. Beautifully redone. And you have private laundry machines in your unit. Okay, here is the bonus room. This would make a perfect office. It overlooks another little patio. There's no closet in here, but it is sizable enough for either a guest room or home office. Okay, here's the full bath. You have the toilet, pedestal sink, nice medicine cabinet, and tub and shower combination. Very clean unit. Okay, now for the bedroom. It is located towards the back of the building. You do have a good sized closet in here with a shelf and rod. French doors leading to a private patio, which I'll show you momentarily. This is a nice sized bedroom, and again located towards the back of the building. And here we are, doors leading to a private outdoor space. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for looking.